Hi, this is NeoRichieB1971 from shmups.com. I've just replaced the laser in my PS1. This is the old one that I took out, the old plastic crappy one. This is the case that the new one came in. This is my PS1 taken inside. The new grey laser has been installed. Disc in, close lid, power up. One thing I've noticed about the laser is that the mechanical structure is kind of very loud. You can hear it quite loud compared to the old one. It's probably some of that Chinese technology. Okay, here we go. Oh dear. Bad test. Well, that was a bad test, so I'm going to stop here now. Okay, an update. I've taken the lid back off and it seems to be working fine with the lid off. When I put the lid on, I think you can see it. Yep, you can see it. Okay, turn it on. Put your finger on the spindle. Tekken's not a very good game for this because there's a Galaxy and Gallagher intro before the game, before the FMV, so obviously that's a pain in the butt. Okay, so here we go. The PlayStation's the right way up, pressing start. Absolutely no problem. I'm going to mute it. The problem seems to be that when the lid is screwed in, that it seems to me that it's forcing the drive into a position that it doesn't feel comfortable in, therefore it skips. I don't know if I'm going to have time to play around with it today, but that's my findings so far. I hope you enjoyed the video. By the way, hello to all those people out there that I piss off. I'm glad that you're out there, and I love you all. Alright, speak later. Bye. Hello, this is NeoRichieB1971 again. I found out what the problem is, or most of the problem. The problem is that this is the old laser, by the way, that's broken, and this is the new cover. This is the new cover that goes over the top of the new one. Basically what I did is, this cover is too big to fit in the hole, It fits in, but it shunts the cover over a few millimeters, maybe 2mm, and it's forcing the drive a little bit out, and it's causing the stuttering. When you put the lid down, it almost stops the disc from spinning altogether. And what I've done is I've taken this off the new mechanism and I put the black one on top of the new mechanism, and as you can see, because it's the old mechanism, the screw joints are all in exactly the same place, so it fits in fine. So we'll give it a boot and see what happens. The drive is a bit noisier, so there we go again, challenge stage. And hopefully it'll work this time. Rock on, baby! So there you go. Battery's running out on the camera, so see you later. Right, Neo Ritchie B1971 again. I thought I would do another test. This one is another Namco disc. It's American. My machine is mod chip, so we shouldn't have any problems there. Tekken's crashed since I took the disc out. So there you go. Point Blank 3. Turn off the disc, the machine, click it on again, let's see what happens. It's the first time I tried this disc. I'll turn it up a bit so you can hear when it skips. You'll probably be able to see it anyway. And the mod chip worked, still works. I think you'll agree that it's working as advertised. Just needs a few tweaks here and there, and we're good to go. I've made one hell of a mess in my room as a result of all this testing. So I'm going to let you go now.